The best lobster tail is a grilled lobster tail, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Step 1, we're going to make our smoked garlic lemon butter. Start by dicing up some garlic. You want it chopped pretty small. Next, we're going to drop 1 whole stick of butter into the pan. Next, we're going to cut a lemon in half, and we're going to juice the lemon into the pan. Actually, you know what? Let's just drop the whole lemon into the pan with the juice. Then our butter goes onto the smoker at 350 degrees. Next, you're going to carefully cut the lobster tail down the center of the shell. Then, even more carefully, you're going to pull the shell apart in the center, being careful not to damage the shell. You want to pull it apart without breaking it, except for the front 2 kind of tabs. We're going to break those off on purpose for presentation. Then you want to take your finger and you want to push it down the bottom of the lobster tail just like this. That's going to break the meat away from the shell on the bottom and allow you to pull the meat out of the top, which of course you want to do just like this. Now don't pull it all the way out. You want to leave the bottom in the tail so that way the meat is kind of still stuck to the tail, but it presents nicely. This part right here is all about presentation. And then we're going to set it right there. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to take a little bit of that skull and mortar rub and we're going to give it a light dusting here. You can use any barbecue rub that you like. We're using that skull and mortar. Now that that's done, we're going to get our lobster tail on the smoker. By this point, your butter should be melted. You want to butter baste your lobster every 3 minutes or so, letting it drip so as not to wipe your rub off, until you hit an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With lobster, it's important that you don't overcook it, otherwise it'll be super rubbery and taste like complete garbage. Take your temperature by inserting your probe into the thickest part of the tail. And now our lobster tail is done. Look at how good this thing looks. We're going to squeeze a little bit of this lemon on top of it because that sweetness that the smoker kind of releases from that lemon is so good. Let's give that thing a bite. Look at that, cooked perfectly. Oh, God, that's good. The citrus, the garlic, the butter, and of course the lobster. Guys, it doesn't get any better than that. Make sure you comment, like, if you want more recipes from me. Check out Skull and Mortar here on YouTube or anywhere else. We'll see you guys here